Welcome to Kimmy's Kitchen. I've been to IKEA and got something I've been wanting a while now, and that is IKEA Indoor Growing Kit with all its accessories. So I've got the main unit, the seed starter kit, the most expensive thing, and that's the other kit that I nearly got, which is just this bit that you put the light on and it just goes on these trays, but I decided to get this one instead. Got the growing media and these little wool things to set the seeds off. Anyway, I'll open it all now. Ooh. Instructions. It's got a plastic tray at the bottom to stop it rusting, I'm guessing. I'll put that there for now. And that's sort of one of them. So I'm going to go and build that quickly and come back. This is it so far. Everything's assembled. It's got this underneath, that little ledge, which is to store that part of the light. Followed all the instructions so far, and I've got these things left, and that's the light fitted. If you look under there, and the wire's gone all the way down onto the bottom and tucked on there along with the wire. I just wrapped up and I put the stickers on the feet to stop it scraping. So that's that done. The light's fitted. Now it's time for the fun stuff. Here it all is. The cultivation unit, the nursery and sprouting set. Oh, it tells you how to do everything as well. Keep it full. Soak all the little things. That's how you do your sprouts. Yeah, I like that. So this is what you use if you want to do sprouts. Lots of sprouts. And you just keep the lid on. Like that. And then to start your seeds off, you just fill it all up with water, put that on top, and then there's these that you soak first. Now I'm going to open this one. In here it says, when all your little seedlings have popped up, you take them out and put them in these little things and pour this in. Fill your watering can up and put some plant food in. Water, keep it topped up with water. Put your plants back in and turn the light on. And don't let that go down. And that is, if I can get to it, it's all in here, which tells you when the water needs topping up. A little dipstick thing. And these are all the lids that you put on when you're not using some of them. So you fill it up with water. Where does this go? Oh, that goes underneath. I'll need 2 hands for this. There we go. It's in now. So when you fill it up with water, it goes up. And it'll say it's at max water, and it'll slowly go down. And when it's that low, it's minimum water. So if it gets that low, your plants are dead. this. Just helps you fill it all up with water. Put it that way so it's not in the way of the plants. Oh, and this goes in, no. This goes in to stop the weeds going around it. Oh. So that's actually connected up to that now. Stop all the roots of the plants getting tangled up into it. So if you're not using one, just put a lid on. Looks like you do have to take the trays out fully though, because it doesn't fit on like that. Oh, it does fit on. They do fit on like that. But it's probably just easier doing that. And put it in the unit. How nice. And that's everything. Oh, we've got to test the light. So, I'm going to turn the light on. Yay! That's bright. And there everything is. Put a few in them in there just to see. And I didn't buy. I'll turn that off while I'm talking. It's quite hard to turn on and off that. I didn't buy any of the IKEA seeds because I've got lots of salad seeds and things like that. That was my unboxing of the IKEA plant system. Thanks for watching. This is probably going to be part 1. Part 2 is going to be sowing seeds. Bye! This is a few days later and I've decided what I'm going to be growing in my mini hydroponics system. This is what I'm going to be doing. Although you only have 8 slots in there, I'm growing these 10 things because I could always grow them somewhere else or on the side in a little pot somehow. Have choice seeds. All these Wilco seeds, little spinach, mixed salad, all salad, rocket, mustard, purple mustard, Mizuna, rocket, and I've got a normal lettuce in there, as well as the cut and come again little lettuces, and more rocket, different type of rocket. I'm going to get 10 of these and soak them in some water. I've got all of them. I might have to get some more of them. Let them soak. In the middle maybe. 2. I like the little grooves where you can just drop your seeds in, stop them falling out. So that's them in. Thinking about it, this all is a bit big considering you only have 8 slots in there. Unless you get the big tier one or you have lots of them. I wonder if there's something else I can use. Anyway, that was nonsense. Now all I've got to do is sow the seeds. You can do it. Everything's sewn. I've got no labels on them because I've laid them out just as I've sown them. And if I need to know which ones they are, I'll look back at this. And I'll probably get them mixed up as well. These pak choi seeds are really old, but some of them do work. So I've sown quite a few in there. Just got to put the lid on. And I'll put some water at the bottom as well. And put them on a sunny windowsill. And when they germinate, I'll be putting them on into there. Today is the 23rd of March, and I'm about to pot on these little seedlings. And these have just been in here for the time being. So I'm going to take these out, ready to pot on in the greenhouse. Seen these Brussels sprouts red apparently. Some little chilies. My only tomatoes I've got at the moment. So here they are. Some of them didn't work. Which one was this? Pak choi. I'm going to keep these in for now just to see if they come up. Only one spinach is germinated for now. So let's get these potted on. They're going in these. Got no water in yet. And I'm probably going to have to start feeding them soon with some fertiliser. Built about that high. And how many do I need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for now. That's my spinach. I'm going to have to do it in order of what my seed packets were, just so I remember. I'm going to do it in the same order as that. I need a little spoon or something. So this is spinach. Next one in the lineup is, I forgot, but oh, look at that. Wow. That's that one done. And that's that one in. So I've just got to sow some seeds for this because these 3 didn't work. But for now, I'm just going to put them in here. Just in case they still germinate. And put them there. So now it's back in its place. I've got these there just in case they germinate, even though I know these ones aren't because they've got mould on. These ones made. And there they are that. I'm going to fill it with water now. Through here. So I'm going to fill it with water and you're going to watch the thing go up. And that will tell me when it's reached the max. And it's not even moving. Why? Why is that not moving? Oh, it's not very high yet. Should say max in. Max. See how high it is. So that's how high maximum is. Can you see that? It's all soaked up all the water already. So that's it for now. Okay, I've just put these here for now until the morning, and then they'll be getting taken in the greenhouse, ready for dividing and potted on. Until next time. And this is what they look like now. Just starting to get their true leaves. Then one still didn't germinate. And that's just my heated propagator. And this is it today. Today is, Alexa, what's today's date?
It's Monday the 17th of June.
Today's Monday the 17th of June. And it's been a while since I've done an update, but this is what it looks like today. It is taking off right now. That's the temperature thing at the back. You can hardly see it now. The lettuce is the thing that we mainly like, so I've changed it up and put more lettuce on. This is rocket, a different type of rocket, not the wild rocket. I think this was mustard greens, I think, mustard, but with a purple look to it, reddy purple. So that's mixed cut and come again lettuce. That's the first cut and come again lettuce. And it looks like one of them is forming a little heart. That's cut and come again lettuce. But this is like the spicy mixed salad. It's got spinach in and like a mustardy type thing again. And this is coriander. And this took so long to start growing. I'm not sure what it is. I think it might be some rocket again, but we'll find out. This was my spinach. It never done well, and it's starting to got seed, and it's been knocked a few times, so it needs to come out now. And I'm going to replace it with this, which is wild rocket, because we like that one. So I'm going to do that right now. So yeah, it's all like rotting compared to this. If I can get it out, got all the nice healthy white roots you can see underneath, and I need to top it up with some water and feed. Oh, where's that come from? Because this is really low. Because now the plants are all bigger. The water's going down quick now. But it's good in the morning when I'm making pack lunches. I can just quickly get this. I have some in the garden as well. But I like this and it looks nice. So you can see what this looks like. Look. It's just not done well at all. And our spinach is a heavy feeder. I think the roots have just evaporated. main thing that started growing in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rinse all this and reuse it. I'm going to wash this and clean it. And yeah, then plant that. I'm going to do that now. I've just washed it all now, as you can see, nice and clean. This is all clean. I'm going to fill this back up and put the new plant in. I'm going to do the rest of the 2 hands, so I'll be back soon. Now they are in there. I'm going to put some tin foil back on. I put the tin foil on because it stops all this going green and mouldy. Not mouldy, green and it stops this going all green and horrible. Before I put it back in, I'm going to water. I'm just going to water in here to make it easier for me. And see if the thing goes up, because it's been sticking a bit, but it looks like it's working right now. Yep, it's working. And now we're at max. That. Yeah, it's working alright now. Sometimes little tiny bits of something must get caught in there because it doesn't always work. Sometimes you've just got to come over and tap it a bit just in case it's stuck like this or stuck like this, when it's actually, the water's probably right down there and gone. So you just got to keep an eye on this thing, make sure it's working. See, it's stuck like that now, even though we know it's up here. It's because of the substrate we use. All these little bits, probably smaller bits than this, get stuck in there somehow, or something to do with the feed. But it does happen. I'm going to put this back in without killing the little tiny seedlings, hopefully. Don't die on me. Right, I'm leaving it like that. And there we have it. I've just got to tidy up a bit. And there it is. I don't know if the camera's catching it very well. Maybe it's because the light's on. I've got my timer set up and I don't want to stop it. Don't normally touch this at all, but let's try and turn it off. Where is it again? Right. Oh, that looks... You can see it a bit better, I think, can you? So here it is. All set up. Full. This is just about reaching the top, so I'm going to have this one piece of spinach leaf tonight for my tea. But I love this the best. It just looks so good. It's all just doing really good now compared to what it was. And to be honest, if someone's due to come visit the house, I'll harvest the stuff outside and not have this. Just because it looks so good, instead of just having, like this one we have been having, and it doesn't look like much, because it was up here. It just looks impressive, I think. Some people might not like it in the kitchen, but it's good because it's bug-free. You get bug-free salad leaves. You can put whatever you want in here. But I really did struggle with the spinach that was there. But this spinach is doing okay, but as I've just said that, I have noticed this weird deformed leaf. I don't know what that's about. I think this is going to be my last video update now. At the time when I started making this, months ago, I couldn't really find proper videos where they went from start to finish from buying this kit to this. I saw videos like this, but not from start to finish. So I've just made one. I was going to say a quick one, but it wasn't really quick because it took months. But I've enjoyed it. I'm so glad I've got it. Okay, I tell a lie, it might not be the last video. Probably do a update in winter to have winter stuff grown when all the other stuff outside isn't grown. Because I'll be relying on this for our salad over winter. Apart from the stuff I'll probably have grown in the greenhouse. Who wants to go in the greenhouse when it's cold outside? So this will be getting lots of use then. I might even get another one of these just for the windowsill. Just the plastic bits inside, I don't know. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Just thanks for watching. Bye.